Hello, welcome back here. In this lecture we have been styling product tag. In this lecture we'll be applying background color to our products. Okay, so how can we apply a background color? I will show you a small trick. What we can do in our product car.tsx, remember our A element is relative. And A element is a parent element which is taking the wool, width and the height here of this product. Okay, when you will inspect the element you will see what I mean by that. Can come here, fit, create root, A element. You can see it's taking that's basically our product. So now what I can do here, I can create here just an empty div. Okay, just an empty div here and straight under the root here, and I will provide here a new class name. Let's say this will be product background. Okay, actually let's take it like this: styles.product bg. Product bg. Now I will provide stylings to product bg. So let's copy this name. Let's go to product module CSS. Let's say apply it here, root and a product bg here, and let's apply here absolute, so we can style it relatively to the parent. So let's write here now int set 0 and z index will be 0. Okay, instead what we'll do, it will set it top, right, bottom, left, 0, 0, 0, and this will spread out this background. It will spread out this background through the all width of and the height of the parent. So when you will see and it will select the product card, this product BG, it's spanning through the whole width and the height of its parent element when you have this top, right, bottom and left. If I wouldn't have it here, all right, it wouldn't spanning that through the all. Okay, but if I set everything to 0, this will span the full width and the height of the parent element. And now I can just simply set here the background. So let's put here some default value just to test it out. Let's say background color, and yeah, we can choose from these ones here, or we can just simply write here hash. And I prepare this color for you: 212, 529, like this. Now that's the background color. I know doesn't look that great. Don't worry, we'll be improving it. All right, so we have this darkish color. What I would like to do also, the style differently. This color should be the first element and third element should be different. And yeah, let's do it. So we can do in such a case, simply target here child of the root element. Okay, so end operator and mvf child. Let's target first one, 6n plus 1. All right, and let's target here also, don't forget product bg. And let's apply here bg violet, let's say. Okay, maybe you're asking why I'm using here 6n plus 1, why not using simply 3n plus 1? Yeah, it will work definitely the same, but with the 3n plus 1, I would expect that I would have 6 elements in total. With a 3n, I would expect that I have 3 elements in total. With a 6n, I'm expecting that I would have 6 elements in the total. So my first element will be styled with this color, and also my 7th element will be styled in this color, right? So if you have let's say 6 elements in total, 3 elements per row, how I will mark it, let's say, okay, there's a first element, second element, third element, and in the second row you have a 4th element, a 5th element, and the second 6th element. You are styling this with the violet color, and then the next of the next row, okay, so of the next batch of the 6 elements. So here will be 7th, and it will be styled with this BG violet, and so on. Actually, I will paste it like this. So BG violet will be this element here, and also 7th element, so this one here. Okay, so with this structure 6n plus 1, I'm expecting that if I will have 6 items per row, basically not per row but per 2 rows, for every new row or every new batch of the elements will have the first one will be BG violet. Okay, so but if you're expecting that you will only like this structure, what we have currently, I'm just thinking of a future, so we have a currently like this, it would be completely fine to have a 3n plus 1, because the first element, which will be this one, will be BG violet, and also the 4th one, because 3n, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, so this would be the BG violet will be completely fine. But let's expect this structure here, and just one column, guys, here. Okay, so we can save it, and now you will see this will be violet. And let's sell this one here, third one. So I'll copy this structure here, and I'll get here mvf child. This will be third one, right? So third one, and I will use here 6n here. And in the case of the third one will be BG, let's say pink. All right. All right, like this. Perfect. And this can stay this darkish color. That's completely fine. And also, if you think about the future, we have maybe more elements. You can also assign the different indexes. For example, we can also have here 5th and 6th index. So 5th one and the 6th index. And in the case of the 5th one, let's say will be blue. And in the case of the 6th one can be cyan color. Cyan like this. Okay, in the case you would have more elements. All right, you will not see any differences yet. And that's basically what I wanted to show you, how you can change the background colors. Now you should know it. So let's continue next lecture. There is still a lot of things for improvements. For example, here color, I think in this case when we have this darker background should be different. And also we need to center the images in the center. And also I have a lot of plans. So see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.